Hi everyone, my name is Lavinia and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how I make these little gift boxes, pillow boxes using the papers that I have. This one is for Christmas. I've made some other ones here like this with some flowers. And what I use these for, you can put in candies and treats and little chocolates. I've used them at my craft fairs I make jewelry and put in jewelry and beads. So to package my jewelry sales or bead sales. And yeah, they're just cute. And what I use for them is this We Are Memory Keepers pillow box punch board, and I bought this years ago at Hobby Lobby. It also comes with the scorer to use to make the curved lines. Oops, sorry about that, curved lines and the straight lines. So for example, here's one that I made with this animal print and what it looks like, and then once I put it together, you glue it together and it then forms the pillow box. So the directions are trim paper width to 6 inches, and then you trim the paper length between 4 and 12 inches, so depending how long you want to make it. And I'll show you how I do that. What I'm going to use for this tutorial is this paper that I cut out of this pad here called Peppermint Twist. It's from Recollections. I bought this also several years ago from Hobby Lobby. Different Christmas papers in here, and that I've used over the years. So yeah, so I will show you how I make my pillow boxes. All right, here we are, and I just wanted to let you know that my cat Kyrie, she likes to sit here. So if when I hit the punch you see cat fur, that's probably just her in case she gets frightened. But here we are. So I'm going to take out the scorer. And so the first part of the directions is, okay, so we already trimmed the paper, and we're going to align the left edge to the start line. So this is the start line right here. Place this left edge here. Let me go this way. And you just want to make sure that it's hitting the top there. So now I'm going to punch down. And then before you remove the paper, you want to score the curve. Make sure we get that. And then there's a vertical line, whoops, here, and you just want to score down that. Just want to make sure we get it well. Okay, so we've done that. And then we shift left to Nook, which is right here, and punch and score. So we'll move this over here. Just want to make sure that it aligns there. Yep, Kyrie decided to leave. So we've done that, and the same thing, you want to get your curve here and the line down. You don't want to press too hard because you don't want to actually cut through that, because that's just the crease line. All right, so we've done that. And now shift left. Okay, so let's see. Okay, flip paper and repeat steps 3 to 6. So we're going to turn this over. Same thing. Actually, this way here. So again, just make sure that that's aligned. Cut through. I'm just going to do that section there. And then I'm going to move it on over. Again, aligning it there. Whoops, sorry about that. Press on down. And there. Okay, so, oops. Not sure if I cut it or not. needed to get that other little edge off. So we're lining it there, press down, see, and then it made that curve there. I think that's probably what I needed to do here. Yep, there we go. So now we have the nice curves there, as well as on this side. And now we're just going to make the notches. Here it shows just one side. I prefer to do both. And the reason for that is, I don't know, it's just, I think it's easier for the person to put their finger in it to open it up. Oops, sorry about that. And I think I needed to get rid of, on this side here, we want to, oops. Okay. All right, so there we are. So I am going to now go ahead and close this up. Actually, I guess I need to get that one trimmed. Oh, that's good. And I will glue that together, and then I'm just going to put a little embellishment, and I will show you what it looks like at the end. All right, so here we are. I just ended up using my glossy accents to glue it. It's just what I had on hand here, but you can use even tape. And then what I did is I just added this little embellishment here. You can put the person's name here, you can put ribbons on, and you can put other embellishments. So yeah, it's a fun, quick, easy way to make these little pillow boxes and to put gifts in for people. So just wanted to let you know, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I hope you subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.